Okay, sorry for being upside down, but we're unboxing a Microsoft Surface laptop. This one happens to be, there's the label. So, this one happens to be an Intel Core 5 256 gig SSD and 8 gigs of RAM. It's a model 1769. And what do we got here? This is a pretty fancy gift box, well constructed. Pretty copper surface with protective film over the top. And as usual, $10 box that you didn't need to begin with. And we have here a power adapter. I'm going to guess the other end of the box has the power cord. I'll leave that up to your imagination. And we have the all-important user's manual. And then this is has so many pages only because it's in 11 different languages. So this has the care and feeding for your laptop. And I'm going to guess if you already spent the money on the Surface Pro or about to spend the money on a Surface, let me rephrase that, Surface, not Surface Pro. If you're about to spend the money or have spent the money on a Pro, I keep saying Pro. On a Surface, you already pretty much know what you're getting. And release the plastic, maybe. Maybe I should read the instructions. Okay, let's put it this way. I'm good at this. If I'm having this much trouble, some of you guys are in trouble, real trouble. All right, there we go. So there we go. That is our Surface. Nice and skinny. We have a SD port here and a micro USB and a full size USB. And that's your power plug. Alrighty, so let's open this baby up. And you see this is nice kind of surface. It's a texture like leather. Brown keyboard, or what would you call it? Ox blood. I guess that was the color of the shoe polish when we were kids. And we got power. Oh, look at that. So I'm expecting this to be very much the normal follow the bouncing ball for setting up Windows 10. And this is actually called Windows 10S, which I think is their branding answer for Windows 10 on a Surface. We're going to do it in English, and we have for 10. Alright, well, I'm going to guess all of you have been through this. Don't know what else to show you here. It certainly is a pretty unit. Not much you can say wrong with it. It's nice and light, durable as heck. Short of folding this thing in half, you're not going to break it. This fella sold for just at $1,000 on sale and is well worth it. That's unboxing a Microsoft Surface i5 with a 256 gig SSD. Not much to say about it. Not even much to look at. It's just a really nice little laptop. Thanks for watching. We're F1 Systems.